welcome back to my channel. So again, today what we're going to do is another Fundations lesson. The lesson we're going to do today is Unit 5, Week 1, Day 4. But first, before we start our lesson, as we always do, we're going to do our letter sound cards. All right, are you ready? Let's get started. Remember, while we're doing the sounds, I'm going to do it first. Then when Baby Echo points at you, then you repeat what Mrs. Liao said. Ready? Let's get started. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, A. P, pan, P. Q, queen, Qu. R, rat, S, snake, S. T, top, T. U, up, V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. All right, friends, so now we're going to do our digraphs. Remember, digraphs are two letters that make one sound. Ready? S-H, ship, sh. W-H, whistle, w. C-H, chin, ch. T-H, thumb, C-K, sock, K. Great job, friends. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is trick word practice. So if you remember, trick words are sight words. They're words that we just need to know. We can't sound them out like we sound out a CVC word, or we can't tap them out either. So the first sight word or trick word that we're gonna go over is the word for and the word or. So I'm gonna say two different sentences. What I want you to do is be listening for for and or. Are you ready? Let's get started. Is this for John or Meg? Now repeat. Now let's say another sentence together. It was for John. Now repeat. Good. So now I'm going to take my handy dandy whiteboard and I'm going to write those sentences on my board. Okay, friends, so here's my first sentence. So let's read it together. Is this for John or Meg? Let's read it one more time together. Is this for John or Meg? So, remember the two words we're looking for are for and or. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna circle for and or. So I'm gonna use my pencil or my marker and I'm gonna drag it under each word to see if it's the right one. Is this for, is that one of my sight words? That's the word for. So I'm gonna put a circle around for. John or Meg. Wait a second, I think I heard another one of my trick words. Which one was it? Was it this one or this one? Did you say or? Is this or? Yes, so I'm gonna put a circle around or. Because remember, those are my sight words. So let's read the sentence together one more time. Is this for John or Meg? And remember, is this a sentence or is it a question or is it an exclamation? Do you remember the differences? Remember, sentences have periods, which look like that. Questions, you're asking something. So it has a question mark that looks like this. And an exclamation means you're super excited about something. So you have an exclamation mark and it looks like that. Everybody see that? So which one is it? A statement or a sentence, a question, or an exclamation? Which one is it? Did you say a question? Yes, because we know that because it has a question mark. Great job. So let's read the sentence one more time together. Last time, I promise. Is this for John or Meg? So I'm going to erase it. I'm going to erase this, and we're going to read another sentence together. Okay? All right. Here is our second sentence that we're going to read together. So I'm going to read it, and you're going to repeat after me. It was for John. So read that back to me. Good. So now we're going to look for our trick word or our sight word that we're looking at in this sentence. Can you find it? Is it this one? How about this one? Is that our sight word? No, that's not for or. What's this? Is this the word for? Yes, so I'm going to put a big circle around for because that's one of our trick words that we're practicing today. Are these two also some of our sight words? Yes, but those aren't what we're looking at today. We're just looking for or. Good. Is this one of our sight words? No. So let's read the sentence over again. It was for John. Now read it with me. It was for John. Great job. So remember, these are our two sight words. I'm writing them on my board right now. For and or. Let's spell them together. For. F-O-R. Again, for. Now let's go over to this one. This is the word or. Now say that again. Or. Now spell it with me. O-R. Now say it again. Or. Excellent work. Okay, friends, so now what we're going to do is we're going to practice reading sentences, okay? Kind of like what we were doing before, but a little bit different because we're not going to be looking for any trick words. So I'm going to hold up the first sentence that I want you guys to help me read together, okay? All right. So Baby Echo's going to help us with this activity. Say, hi, Baby Echo. All right. So Baby Echo's going to point under each word as we read it. Are you guys ready? The gum was in the bag. So I want you to try to read it by yourself this time, okay? Are you ready? Very good. So now I'm going to change the sentence to say, the gum was in the box. So which word do I have to change here? Which word? Good. Did you say bag? Good. I have to change it to the word box. So I'm going to erase bag. And I'm going to write the word box. And I'm going to sound it out. Watch. Box is a CVC word. B-ox. So what sounds do you hear? B. B. Good. What else do you hear? Aw. What letter says aw? Oh, good job. O. And what's the last sound that we hear in box? Good. The letter X. So I write the letter X and I'm going to put my period. Good job. So let's read this sentence together. The gum was in the box. All right, friends. So for this last activity, what we're going to do is we're going to practice writing some letters. So what I want you to do is pause this video and go get something that you can write on. Okay, now that you have something to write on, what I want to do is I'm going to say the sound a letter makes. And then you're going to write it on your paper or whatever you're going to write it on, okay? And we're going to practice writing those letters. Are you ready? First sound I'm going to say is eh. What letter says eh? Did you say E? Great job. So I'm going to write the letter E with you on my whiteboard, okay? So remember, E starts in between the plane line and the grass line. Then you're going to slide to the right. And then you're going to curl it up and curl it down to make E. So let's say it together. E, ed, eh. Good job. So I'm going to erase my E, but you don't have to erase it, okay? Next sound we're going to listen to is eh. Ooh, it's tricky. Which letter says eh? Did you say I? Yes, I says eh. So I'm going to make my I on my whiteboard. I starts at the plane line. Then it goes all the way down to the grass line. And then you make a dot. So let's say it together. I, itch, eh. Good job. So now let's do one more letter to help us. Are you guys ready? What letter says B? Did you say B? Good job. B says B. So let's make the letter B on our papers or whiteboards or whatever you have. So I'm going to start at the skyline this time. Remember, B is a skyline letter. So I start at the skyline, then I go all the way down to the grass line, then I trace up to the plane line, and I make a big belly. So everyone say it with me. B, bat, B. Great job. So that's it for today's foundation lesson, boys and girls. Thank you so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Please press the subscribe button if you don't want to miss any of my videos. And please give this video a thumbs up if you can. And also, if you have any questions about anything, please feel free to contact me. My contact information is right below. So I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day learning. Bye!